Damien from DKBrickStudios, and today we are building the Millennium Falcon from Solo, a Star Wars story. Now, before we take a quick look at the model and build it, I have a couple things to say. First, go check out all the links in the description below. You'll be able to check out all my socials and my friend's novel. Link to the ad is also in the description. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. So yeah, that'd be really appreciated. And yeah, without further ado, let's take a look at the Millennium Falcon. A quick look at it. If you want to take a more in-depth look at it, please check out my mock spotlight. Here's the front view, the back, the left, the right, the bottom, and the top. So yeah. There we go. That's the Falcon. But before we sign off, we're gonna build this thing. We gotta build it. So let's get started, shall we? Let's. Alrighty. We'll need some 2x2s, 2x6s, and a 2x2 circular plate. Okay then. That will go. That you want it all in that configuration. And now we're going to want to grab this and attach this to here. Like so. There we go. And just for reference, all the parts will be shown here. And as I build, you'll be able to know what parts are in the build. And you get lost, you can look here and see what parts are here. Or being used, I should say. Now we'll need a 1x6, two 2x3s, and two 2x3s, I should say. Six and two 2x3s. Now we're going to need a 1x1 with a two studs. I need with a stud hole. What is this thing? A 1x1 with clip light fit. Yeah, it's like a lamp holder. A 1x4 and a 1x1. Those two people need the 1x1 here, the 1x4 here, and the modified plate. Wrong piece. I thought I clicked up here. Guess that won't register. Interesting. Very interesting. Alrighty then, that goes there. Now we're going to need a 1x6, two 3x6s, left and right wings, 2x3, and a modified plate, 1x4 bracket, 2x2 bracket, 1x4. By the time I was finishing saying that, I was pretty much placing the piece on. We're going to the 2x3 will go here, and wrong place. Okay. Here and here. Like so. This is what you should have so far for your Falcon. Yes, it's the white, mostly white, but hey, you know what? It's something. Yep. Now we're building the cannon. Okay, so we're gonna need a 1x2 cheese slope, a 1x1 1x2 jumper plate, and a 1x1 and a 1x2 plate. Tile, I mean. This will go here. This will go here. And a slope piece will go here. We just gotta build the cannon. So we need this piece, a 1x1 clip piece, and we need a lightsaber hilt. Lightsaber. And here we go. Wait, I need this in a different color. Light bluish gray. Put that there for a second. I am just going to have to rotate this. Attach you on, and there we go. That's what you should have so far. Alrighty, now we're going to need a one by a corner piece, and two 1x1 blue plates. Plate, white, one by two, plate, blue. This will go here, and this will go here. That's what you want so far. Then we're going to need a plate 2x4 and one 1x1 tiles. One will go here, and one will go here. And this 2x4 will attach on like so. So there you go. The front of the Falcon is pretty much complete. No, wait. There's actually one more step we need to do before we say we're done with the Falcon. We need to make the dish. So we're going to need a clip 1x1. I need a pneumatic. Needs to be in this color. There. Rotate this. And now I just need a 1x1, a 1x2 dish. Like so. That's how you want that to look. That's the front part of the Falcon. Now we need 4 1x1s, 2x2 jumper plates, which I'm just going to nab right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And plates, we're going to need 2 1x2 plates. Tile, I mean. And now we're going to need 2 blue 1x2s tile and a 2x2 tile on the back. Follow that up with a 1x4 and a 2x2, 1x2, and 4 1x1 round plates. So this is what you want so far. Now we have one more thing to do, and that's the cockpit. Okay then. Wait, we can't do that part yet. Let's do slope. This, we need a slope. That goes on like that. Kind of make it so that's official. And then we need a round brick. This will attach onto there, and a trans clear 1x1 round plate will go on like so. And there you have it, the Millennium Falcon from Solo. One of my favorite ships from Star Wars. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I know I enjoyed making it for you guys. This is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. Remember, may the force and the force of others be with you always. I'll see you all in the next video.
Birds of a feather well weathered together, chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.